What's up, guys? B-Rob here. Have you been wondering if and how healthy snacking helps with muscle building? Well, today I'm going to discuss 3 muscle building benefits of healthy snacking, and I'm going to do this all in about 3 minutes. I'll be right back. If you're looking to build muscle, you may be wondering if healthy snacking can help. The answer is yes. Healthy snacking can actually offer a number of benefits when it comes to building muscle. Here are 3 ways that healthy snacking can help you reach your muscle building goals. Number 1 is increased energy levels. When you're trying to build muscle, you need to make sure that you have enough energy to power through your workouts. If you're feeling tired or run down, it's going to be much harder to push yourself and get the most out of your workouts. That's where healthy snacking comes in. By eating a small healthy snack before or after your workout, you can help keep your energy levels up and ensure that you're able to give it your all. Number 2, healthy snacking helps improve your recovery time. In order to build muscle, you need to allow your body time to recover between workouts. When you don't give your body adequate time to recover, you risk overtraining and slowing your progress. However, if you're eating a small healthy snack after your workout, you can help improve your recovery time. The nutrients in the snack will help replenish your body and promote healing so that you'll be able and be ready to hit the gym again sooner. Number 3, healthy snacking can help prevent muscle loss. If you're not eating enough calories, your body will start to break down muscle for energy. This is the last thing that you want if you're trying to build muscle. By eating a small healthy snack between meals, you can help make sure that your body has the calories it needs to support muscle growth. So there you have it. 3 ways that healthy snacking can help you build muscle. Next time you're looking for a way to fuel your workouts, reach for a healthy snack. And that's it. Short and sweet, right? If you'd like to know more about protein supplements, or if you're looking for a review based on my personal experience using supplements, feel free to check out more videos on this channel. I have a number of in-depth reviews that cover all types of supplements. In the comments below, tell me what you think. Have you tried healthy snacking? If so, what is your experience and what is your go-to healthy snack? Also, check out the links in the description for discounts and my affiliate links to some great products. Follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob. Check out my website at thisisbrob.com. And finally, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.